welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for being here, and I greatly appreciate that. I'm grateful to God for this great opportunity, as well as the courage that He's given me, because I always have this dream of having a YouTube channel, but I always have this self-doubt, as well as the fear of being judged, and the fear of speaking in front of people, really. So this year I will be celebrating my 40th birthday. So I'm actually recording this video on Saturday night. That's 2 days prior to my birthday. So you will be watching this video on Monday, the 21st of June. So thank you all for being here. A little bit about myself. My name is Senia Tuomata Fa'amausili. I'm a mother of 2, and I'm happily married. I'm originally from Samoa, living in New Zealand, and I'm living in the Mid-Canterbury region. The main purpose of my YouTube channel will actually be sharing my life story, my experiences living in New Zealand, some great things that I've achieved, and as well as sharing with you the mistakes that I've made over this time period, with the hope that it can inspire someone out there, and to really it's just, this is all about me and my life experiences. At the end of 2010, we moved from Samoa to New Zealand, and in 2014, that's 4 years in, we were able to buy a house. So I will be talking on my experiences on that, and of course, moving to New Zealand, we exposed to a lot of new things, like having access to credit cards, as well as hire purchases, which can quickly over time add up. And yes, we did make that mistake. In 2017 to 2019, my family went through a debt-free journey. Through that 2 years period, we able to pay off $70,000 worth of debts. Yes, that was so stupid of us, but hey, we all make mistake, and we learn from it, and we move on. So I will be sharing my experiences on that, and how we come up about having $70,000 of debts, and with paying off all our debts, that gives us the opportunity to really focus on our mortgage. So our goal right now is to pay off our mortgage in 3.5 years time. So if that goal of ours has been achieved, that means our 30-year mortgage, we're able to pay it in 10 years. So that's another great achievement, but of course I will be sharing that with you all. On this channel, I will also be sharing some money saving tips. I will be doing some motivational cleaning videos to help myself accountable in cleaning my home, and at the same time help someone out there to have some motivation in doing so. I will be I'm currently working on my meal prepping, so I will share that as well on here. And I will also be touching on some parenting skills that I've learned over the years. As I said earlier, I'm a mother of 2, so yeah, especially us islanders that coming from the island to New Zealand and raise a family here, It can be pretty challenging at times, but yeah. So yeah, this channel will mainly about sharing my life story and sharing the mistakes that I made, so that someone else might learn from it, and even try to avoid it if you can. So yeah, thank you so much once again for joining me, and what a way to celebrate 40th. I can't believe, but again, I'm grateful. I'm very grateful to God for these many years in my life. I'm grateful for my parents in raising me, and my mom, my dad, even though he's gone, but he's still in my heart. And I'm also grateful for my family, grateful for my husband, grateful for my children, and yeah. So if you like what my channel is all about, please consider subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and please click on that notification bell